Good morning everyone. Today I will show you how to create a format a Microsoft Word document step by step. First, open a Microsoft Word on your computer. Click a blank document to start a new one. Then I'll type my name as a title. Highlight the text by dragging your cursor over highlighting or just to the shortcut by pressing Ctrl A to select all. Next, for bolding font, just press Ctrl B. And to underline the text, just press Ctrl U. And press Ctrl plus E to center, and then press enter to move to all new line below the title. Next, let's duplicate and format this paragraph with their different font style, size, and alignments. Okay. Step 2, text formatting. Now, to move to a new line below the title, now let's duplicate and format this paragraph with 3 different font style, size, and alignments. The first paragraph, and change the front Arial size 12 and alignment into the left. So next is second paragraph. Change it to the calibre and justified text. Okay. Next paragraph. Change the front to Georgia, set the size to 13 and center the text. And center it. Now, paragraph may have different font style and alignment, creating variety. Next, go to Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the bullets button. If you want to customize the bullet, just right click the list. and the formatting toolbar will appear. And select bullets and choose a different symbol. Like check marks or an arrow. If you decide, your list should now be formatted with your new bullet styles.